Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix chart not loading in the TradingView application in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your TradingView mobile application. After that, you need to try to load any of the charts. So as you can see in my TradingView application, I have the gold chart available. So I'm going to tap on the chart option and I'm going to basically try to launch the chart. So if the chart is stuck blank or the candles are not appearing here, don't worry, you can just simply use the steps that I'm about to show you. So first of all, you need to fully close your TradingView application from the recent apps. After that, you need to switch your internet connection once. So here you need to swipe down your notification bar. After that, you can press the airplane mode. Then you can wait for 5 seconds and tap on the airplane button again. So what this is going to do is it is going to basically reset your internet connection and you will see a stable internet connection now. You can also try switching from the mobile data to your Wi-Fi and so on. And once you have done that, you need to simply reopen your TradingView application and try to load the chart again. So after doing this, you just have to check whether the chart is now working properly or not. If the issue still persists, you can try this second method, in which you need to come into the settings of your device. Over here in the settings, tap on the option of apps. In the apps, tap on the option of app management. Over here, use the search bar. Then you just have to simply search for TradingView. Inside the app info of TradingView, tap on the option of storage usage. Over here, you will see the option of clear cache. So when you tap on the option of clear cache, you just have to wait for some time. Then you just have to again open your TradingView application and see if the issue is fixed or if it is still there. You can also try another method in which you can come here on Google Play Store or App Store. Over here too, you can search for TradingView. So when you see an update button right next to TradingView, it simply means that you need to update your app. So make sure that you are using the latest version of TradingView. And again, after downloading the update, you just have to basically reopen your TradingView chart and see if it is working properly or not. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.